In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit using Capcut in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to create a captivating video for social media or you're a complete beginner, Capcut is a versatile tool that's simple and intuitive. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up the Capcut app, which is available on most devices. Once you have it open, go ahead and tap on New Project. This is your starting point where all the magic begins. After you've tapped on New Project, the app will prompt you to select videos or photos from your gallery. Choose the clips or images that you want to add to your timeline. This timeline is where you'll arrange and edit your media, so take a moment to carefully select everything you want to include in your final product. Once your media is on the timeline, you'll notice a toolbar located at the bottom of your screen. This is your editing toolkit. One of the first things you'll likely want to do is trim or split your clips. This tool allows you to cut out any unwanted sections of your video, ensuring that every frame contributes to your storytelling. Simply drag the edges of the clip or use the split function for more precision. If you need to add context or commentary, you can do so by using the text button. This feature allows you to insert text or subtitles throughout your video. Customize your text with different fonts and styles to make sure your message is as eye-catching as possible. Next, to bring your video to life, explore adding music or sound effects via the audio menu. Capcut offers a variety of stock audio tracks, or you can import your own. Adjust the volume so the music complements the visuals without overpowering any dialogue or ambient sounds you might want to keep. Enhance your visuals by applying filters and effects. This can drastically change the mood and tone of your video. Whether you want a vintage feel or something more modern, there's a plethora of effects to choose from. For smoother transitions between clips, take advantage of the transitions feature. A well-placed transition can add a professional touch to your video, making it more visually pleasing as you move from one segment to the next. Once you've completed your edits, it's vital to preview your work. Simply hit the play button to watch your video and ensure everything appears just as you envisioned. Make any final tweaks if necessary. Finally, when you're satisfied with your masterpiece, the last step is exporting your video. Tap Export located at the top right of your screen and you'll have the option to save it to your device or directly share it on various platforms. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a polished video using Capcut. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different features and styles. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.